In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord installation has failed problem in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, firstly, right click on Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. In here, click on Discord and click on End Task. Now close it and click on Start. Now type %sign temp %sign and open this folder. Now select all by pressing Ctrl A. Now press Shift and right click and click on Delete. Click on Yes. Click on Continue. Some file will be not able to delete, so skip that. Now close it. Now once you're done, close it and again click on Start. Now type %sign app data %sign and open this folder now. Now in here find out Discord folder, right click on it and click on Delete. Now click on app data local and find out Discord, right click on it and click on Delete. That's it. So friends, like this you can resolve this issue. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully after restart all problems will be resolved. Now you need to download, so open any web browser and type Discord and click on download for Windows. That's it. So hopefully friends, by using this simple and quick method, download installation failed for Discord will be fixed. Thanks for watching.